Hello everyone, I am the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. Today, that is, on the day of Mother's Day, my channel has become 2 years old. Yes, dear viewers, it is my channel's birthday. So today I'm going to make an artwork dedicated to these 2 years worth of artworks I put on this channel. But before I do all that, I would like to thank all my viewers, people who have put a comment on my videos and liked the videos, because all that kind of stuff is really encouraging. And my subscribers, who are 135 in number at the moment, though it might change till the time I upload this. I would also like to thank my loved ones who watch my videos, my family members, my BFF, and my mom. Because my mom watches each and every video of mine, and this is like the perfect day to thank her because today's Mother's Day, and my mom is indeed very special. So, without any further ado, let's make the artwork. So I'm starting by drawing the channel logo, the channel icon, whatever you want to call it, in the center of the sheet. It's nothing much difficult, I just have to make a circle using a compass. Now on the left hand side, I'm drawing a Poppy Playtime character, Mommy Long Legs. Now you may be wondering why I'm drawing her specifically, or what exactly I'm going for here. So I'm taking my most popular videos yet and I'm drawing them on the sheet. The tutorial I posted on how to draw mommy long legs is the most popular video yet. It has 1.4k views and till now it stands to be the most popular long YouTube video on my channel. Now let's move on with the next drawing. I'm drawing the character Boyfriend from the game FNF or Friday Night Funkin. So if you've been watching my channel ever since the beginning, then you must know that my shorts video on this character has been the most popular video for a very long time, over a year actually. It was popular, like I uploaded it on September 2021 and it remained to be the most popular video on my channel till November 2022. But then I uploaded a mini quote journaling video on November 2022 on this booklet. It was on the topic ddlc or Doki Literature Club and it gained 3.6k views. My stationery haul series is really popular too, but I really couldn't make any artwork for that. Okay, so that's enough YouTube analytics for now. Let's speed up a little and finish the artwork. taking different watercolor background colors for each thing, like sky blue for my channel logo, red for mommy long legs, dark blue for boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin, and violet for the mini code journaling. And I'm kind of blending these colors together. And of course, let's not forget the legendary blood spots for mommy long legs. So I saw that there was a lot of space left, so I wrote something about the drawings, near the drawings. I guess this means that I could have added more drawings, but I guess this also means that I'm so used to drawing on that small, what is that, A5 sketchbook? I think it's A5, that I'm not used to drawing on A4 sheets anymore, which is really sad because I started out from A4. But it doesn't look so bad. In fact, it looks quite good, and so I'm happy for that. And yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked the video and the artwork, and if you did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you for staying tuned.